previous class we have completed our first chapter, that is large numbers. So in that chapter we have learnt about how to draw beads on abacus, and we have also learnt expanded form, place value, face value, ordering of numbers, ascending, descending, and also building numbers, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. And we have also learnt about Roman numerals. Now we go for our second chapter, that is addition and subtraction. So in this chapter we learn about addition and also subtraction. First we learn about addition. So addition. First, addition using an abacus. So how you do addition using an abacus? Actually first we know how to draw beads, right? So first we'll draw beads for the given question. So see example. First example, add. How much it is? You know place value, no? So 10 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Means it is 16,314 and 2,282. Now we should add this. So see children, here I draw abacus. Now we should draw beads. So here first number is 16,314. We know ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So now ones place 4. So draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place 1. So draw 1 bead. Next, hundreds place 3. Draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Next, thousands place 6. So draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 10,000 place 1. So draw only 1 bead. Next, here we have number 2,282. So 10,000 place no number. So 0. Ones place 2. So draw 2 beads. 1, 2. Next, tens place 8. Draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, hundreds place 2. Draw 2 beads. 1, 2. Thousands place also 2. Now, how we should add beads? First, count the beads in ones place in 2 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, 6. So ones place how many beads children? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, go for tens place. How many beads? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here write 9. Next, hundreds place 3, 4, 5. So draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5. Next, thousands place 6. Here 2, 7, 8. So draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, here 5. So this is the addition property. So if you remember this, such additions which are having 1 and a 0 will be easy for us. Now see one more example. So write the place value for this. 10,000, hundreds, tens, ones. Now write them. 32,532, 54,312. Add them. So first ones place. 2 in the mind, 2 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. Tens place 3. 3 in the mind, 1 on your finger. After 3, 4. So write here 4. Hundreds place 5. 5 in the mind, 3 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Thousands place 2. 2 in the mind, 4 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 here. 10,000. 3 is the number. So 3 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is our answer? 86,844. So any 4-digit or 5-digit number if they give you, first we should write them in the place value chart, then do the addition. First we should always start doing addition from the right side, that is from the ones place. Ones place first we should add, then we should add tens place, then we should add hundreds place, then we should go for thousands place, then we should add 10,000 place. So any digit, first we should start from ones place only. So in our next class, I'll tell you how to do